Mean, median, mode, range. For the mean, you find the sum of all the data, then divide by the number of pieces of data. For the median, you list all the data from lowest to highest, then find the middle number or numbers. The mode, you find the data that occurs the most often. Hint, most common, or it has the highest frequency. The range is the highest value subtract the lowest value, and the rhyme here can help you remember them. Hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle, you add and divide for the mean, the mode is the one you see the most often, and the range is the difference between. Find the mean, median, mode and range of the following data. We can see that this data is already in order for us. So for the mean, we need to add all the data up. So we've got 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, 9, add on 10, add on 12, add 13. So that gives us 78. And then we divide by the number of pieces of data. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll divide that by 13. And that gives us 6. So 78 divided by 13 is 6, and that's the mean. Now the median is the middle piece of data in an ordered list. We know there were 13 pieces of data. Add 1 to that and divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7, so the 7th piece of data is the one we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th piece of data is the 5, and so the median is equal to 5. The mode is the most commonly occurring piece of data. Now there are 2 2s and there are 2 4s, and there's only one of everything else. So here we actually have 2 modes. So we can say the mode is 2 or 4. They're both modes. The range is just the largest piece of data, take away the smallest piece of data. So the largest piece is a 13, take away the smallest piece, which is 1, so the range is equal to 12. Find the mean, median, mode and range of the following data. Now we can see this isn't in order. We don't need it to be in order for the mean, but it helps with the median and the range in particular. So let's put it in order before we start. So the smallest piece of data is an 8. Then we have a 9. And then the next piece is an 11. There's a 12. There's a 15. A 17. A 21. And finally a 23. So for the mean, we need to add up the pieces of data. So that's 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12, add 15, add 17, add 21, add 23, and that's 116. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of data. So let's divide that by 8, and that's 14.5. Now the median is the middle. So there's 8 pieces of data, add 1 divided by 2 gives us 4.5. And that tells us we need to be between the 4th and 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth is a 12 and the fifth is a 15. So what we need to do is be halfway between 12 and 15, and one way of working that out is to add them and divide by 2, and we'll find that that is 13.5. So the median is 13.5. There's only one of each piece of data, so in this case there's no mode. We could think of all of them as being a mode as well, but it's easier to say no mode. And then the range is just going to be 23 take away 8, and that gives us 15.